congratulations for Runaway Lugai. I loved the trailer. And, after watching you in Aspirants, it feels like it's a sequel, but an interesting one.
Really? It feels like a sequel? I thought it's...
Yeah, I mean, you're a successful IAS officer. You moved on and now you're getting married. So, it's a very interesting
The
sequel.
character is so different, yeah. No, I think it's very different.
Yeah.
इसमें तो थोड़ा सा वो अलग है.
See, obviously, life takes turns, so maybe we can put it that way.
Okay. Good.
So anyway, how has been your experience while shooting?
It was fun, yeah. It was something that I've never done before. So, especially the court scenes. I remember, I'm actually, I mean, you can't really make out from the trailer, but I am a judge, I'm a judge in a district court.
Yeah.
I've forgotten the name of the place. So I loved performing those scenes.
Okay.
So वो तो बड़ा नया था. बाकी working with Sanjay sir was an experience, and with Ruhi, the kind of things we did. उसके कुछ snippets तो आपको ट्रेलर में भी दिख रहे हैं, कुछ glimpses. तो हाँ, बहुत अलग चीजें होती हैं. The things that I've not really done it, तो वो करने में मजा आता है. So
okay. So, in case in real life, if you have a similar situation of a runaway wife, how would you react to it?
I'll be shattered, yeah. I'll be heartbroken. And I think he also goes through the same thing because he's madly in love with the girl and the girl has disappeared.
Yeah.
I mean, disappeared. No communication, nothing. And he doesn't know what to do. He doesn't even know if someone has kidnapped her or,
True.
So, yeah. मतलब आपको पता ही नहीं है आपका एक बंदा आप जिससे प्यार करते हो गायब हो गया. So then he starts doubting his father also because his father is a politician and he is a little shady man. So and he knows about it. So it's a very tricky situation to be in, and I hope it's going to be fun.
I hope that never happens. Yeah.
Yeah.
So, Naveen, I'm in love with what you do on screen. You play characters which are very relatable to the youth, and you have been part of really good content-driven shows. So now, at the same time, are you very clear in your head about discarding projects? Like, this is something you wouldn't do because are you choosy about your scripts?
See, not really. I don't know what clicks with the audience. I have been choosy since the beginning. Even when I was not an actor, and I was trying to be an actor, I was choosy even then. But it's very, I mean, if you want to try something new, like Runaway Lugai is it's something which it's something that I've never done before. So I would want people to watch it and like it, but you're never sure of things. You don't really know if it's going to work because कई बार आपको script अच्छी लग जाती है, and but by the time the show comes out or by the किस तरीके से it turns out, that is very different. So it's very difficult. Sometimes you say no to a thing and that comes out and it looks good, that has also happened. And so it's tough. It was tough pehle bhi. But I don't do anything that I don't like. If I'm not attracted to the script or the character, I'll never go back. So but I don't know the formula. I don't know if it's going to work or not. I was very nervous about Aspirants. Extremely nervous about Aspirants. 5th episode आने की पिछली रात तो मुझे नींद भी नहीं आई थी because I always feel कि आपकी कहानी खत्म कैसे होती है वो सबसे important part है. Like first 4 episodes का तो बहुत अच्छा response था, but 5th episode के time मैं काफी ज़्यादा डरा पड़ा था because तो अभी भी mixed response आया. There are people who have not loved it, but then there are people who have loved it. So I'm quite happy, quite satisfied. But I think I'll always be very nervous here. With Runaway also, I'm not sure.
You have made some good choices, I mean, everything that you have portrayed in the web, they have been significant. They have been clicked with the audience. So you are doing a good job out there.
It's the other way around also, sometimes I used to joke about it. I say people who come to me are generally making good things. That's why they're choosing me. So, तो मैं ऐसा भी joke मारता था. People who are not working with me, who don't think I am good enough to be in their films, maybe they're not making the right shows. Yeah.
So, Naveen, you are someone who entered the web even before it was cool. So, you connected and grew with us eventually. So over the years, what has been your biggest takeaway?
I never thought when I started working on the web, I just wanted to be part of stories. Yeah, you know, uh, I mean, Medium was not the choice for me. I mean, it was not as if I was being offered 100 films and I chose to be on the web. It was like
Yeah.
I I got. I mean, I was lucky enough to know about the script of Pictures, or
Yeah.
and I liked the idea, the story, the character, and I was not really expecting it to be, uh, a success. I wanted to be part of a good script.
Yeah.
If people like, very good, but I was not really thinking about the result, the outcome, okay, how will
Okay.
it turn out? I was looking for work, and I thought it was a good opportunity, and I'm
Mm-hmm.
glad it turned out well. And then post that, it became about choosing good scripts.
Yeah.
Then the that I became a little conscious. And so the takeaway is, like, I would just say that if you just hang in there for a good enough period, I think good
Yeah.
things will happen to you. I mean,
True.
you will come across failures, and you will come across, um, like, you will come across disappointments. You cannot really, because it's a collaborative work. Even if you give your 100%, there are 99% chances of you failing, because it depends on the
Yeah.
product. So, but if you are at it and your intentions are in a good place, your heart is in a good place, I think there's no formula to it. Yeah. There's,
Mm-hmm.
I mean, yeah. So I don't have answers to,
Mm-hmm.
the formula questions, but how my takeaway would be just be at it, look for good stories, and rest will happen on its own. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. So, do you feel web is heading towards the right space, in the right direction?
Right direction, not in wrong direction for sure. I mean, there are people
Mm-hmm.
who are also, um, making. I mean, people who. I mean, there are people who are going to approach and put formulas in it also. I mean, there are people who would feel, जैसे फिल्मों में होता था ना, you put an item number. So there are people who would think, if you put galis, or if you put sex scenes, or if you put, they are
Yeah.
these are formula things. You know,
Yeah.
so the show is going to work more. I mean, there are people who are going to work like that, because see,
True.
producers are, at the end of the day, they're dealing with money. So for them,
Yeah.
it's a business, right? So, but
Mm-hmm.
then there are going to be few people who will try to be more artistic, and they will more focus more on telling correct stories. Stories are in a correct form. So,
Mm-hmm.
I don't think, if it's not headed in a wrong direction for sure. I
Okay.
mean, yeah. If in fact, it's giving us more stories.
True.
Uh, so yeah, and there are a lot of good
Mm-hmm.
stories also. If there are 100 bad stories, there are two
Yeah.
to three or five good stories also, which is a good thing, no?
Mm-hmm.
Which wouldn't have
So,
come out if there was no web.
yeah, true.
Yeah.
So, Naveen, as an artist, how do you take care of your mental health? Being in a creative space, at times it gets a little bit more overwhelming,
Yeah.
and with things like depression and anxiety, how do you look at it?
Yeah, I'm a firm believer of the things that Sandeep Bhaiya says in the fifth episode. I am uh, I am a very family person, although I live alone in Bombay. But I'm
Mm,
very connected to my parents and my sister and my family in Delhi, and they are my.
mm,
So I think I cannot. I mean, they are because I stay in touch with them. I stay. That keeps me, my mental health, okay. I think people who I love, I I mean, I try to stay in touch with them. That's basically, that
mhm,
basically helps me. Ghar pe, I would try to read more. I would try to exercise a little more. Uh,
mm.
so that also keep your mental health. I mean, it's good for your mental health if you're exercising regularly. And you know
Yeah.
though I'm not very good at it, I am not very disciplined, but I try to do those things, and I think that's the way to. I
True.
mean, that's how I am dealing with
Mm,
it. Yeah,
mhm. So, looking back and now towards the way forward, are you happy how things are shaping up for you?
I'm very happy right now. Aspirants has done so well. I'm very happy right now. I think, I feel it has brought me back into the game.
Mhm.
So yeah, I'm quite happy here. And right now, I'm just wishing for everyone's health. I'm not really thinking about my future as an actor, or the kind of prospect, my career prospects, and the kind of roles I want to do and all. No, right now I can't even think about it, because I don't know when are we going to be out of this situation and how things be. And I am absolutely okay with not shooting and sitting at home right now. So I just want people, I mean, कि हमारा situation better हो यार, we are in a terrible mess right now. So right now I'm happy about this show doing well, but I'm not really thinking about my future, or how is my future going to be.
Get it. Yeah.
I'm happy that the show that I've done, it's doing well, but that's about it.
That's nice.
Yeah.
So, as I said earlier, you are someone who ventured into web even before people could have thought of, कि यहाँ पे भी, career हो सकता है, or, maybe there we can have good actors from that space too. So, back then, what were the obstacles and challenges you faced? And, how did you manage to stay so patient and, to reach here today?
Well, I don't think I had any option, I wanted to be here. I was enjoying this a lot. So I just kept trying here. I kept on trying. That's it. I think patience is very important if you want to be an actor. I think patience, because waiting is a very important part of our job. Like once I said, you wait for the right script, then you wait for the film or the show to start. Then even on the set, you wait for your shot. You're waiting all the time, basically. So I think I'm cool with waiting. And now, since I've also done good things, done average things, I think that's how it's going to be. Success is not permanent. Also, failure is not permanent. If you are at it and you're looking for good things, you will fail. You will do well sometimes, and that's how it's going to be. So yeah, so I'm not thinking much about it. And ऐसा भी नहीं है कि मेरा एस्पिरेंट्स आया तो मैं सक्सेस को बहुत जल्दी कैश करना चाहता हूँ, मैं बहुत कोई पीआर करना चाहता हूँ. आई वांट माय पिक्चर्स एवरीवेयर एंड I have started calling up people. Nothing of that sort I've done. I'm just at home and enjoying the whatever the fact that the show is being liked and all. So it's once the things start, things start getting better, this COVID situation, it just whatever, it just dies. Uske baad hi, I think I'll be in a situation or in a position to think about but it has given me a lot of confidence. It has given me a lot of confidence. Now I suddenly feel belonged after a very long time. Challenges तो यही थे यार कि आपको अच्छा स्क्रिप्ट, पहले पोस्ट पिक्चर्स आई वाज वेटिंग, मुझे लगा कि पिक्चर्स किया है तो कुछ अच्छा करना चाहिए. तो फॉर द लॉन्गेस्ट टाइम आई वाज वेटिंग फॉर द राइट स्क्रिप्ट. एंड ग्रेट स्क्रिप्ट्स डोंट रियली कम टू यू. इट्स बहुत कम अच्छी स्क्रिप्ट्स लिखी जाती हैं और वो आपके पास आ जाएं, उसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी बड़ी कम है, जो मैंने रियलाइज किया. फिर देन यू स्टार्ट चूजिंग थिंग्स जो आपको फिर आप कुछ ना कुछ जो पिक सर्टेन थिंग्स. ओके, आई रियली लाइक द कैरेक्टर, or I really like the production or the director, or everything will not be perfect. और चलो इसमें पैसा अच्छा मिल रहा है, पैसे के लिए भी करा मैंने कुछ. तो फिर इस किस्म की चीजें हुई हैं यार. I think those were the challenges, and I think that's always going to be there. The struggle to find the right scripts, that will always be there. कि आप करेक्ट स्क्रिप्ट पकड़ो, करेक्ट प्रोडक्शन पकड़ो, वो टीम सही हो. दिस एस्पिरेंट्स टर्न्ड आउट सो वेल बिकॉज लकीली टीम बहुत सही थी. आई थिंक सब एक्टर्स की कास्टिंग बहुत अच्छी हुई है.
Every moment in the series, it touched us, it somewhere hit us, straight. So it has, it worked really well, and iske liye I'm really looking forward to your next show, Runaway Lugai. I'm really looking forward to that.
Thank you. But Runaway Lugai it's a very different show as compared to Aspirants.
Yeah.
Set up in a different world, about different kind of people. It's a comedy. So let's see.
So what are the upcoming projects you're working on?
Projects. There's one film that I finished, I think last year. That's also with Sanjay Sir. Sanjay Sir is my grandfather in that film. So Vijay Sir is also there. You know, good actors, great actors. मुझे पता नहीं अब रिलीज उसका कब होगा यार. I have no idea because they wanted to release it in theaters and I think now they should release it on some platform. तो देखते हैं. उसके अलावा कुछ लॉकडाउन में तो मैंने बस एस्पिरेंट शूट किया था. मैंने ज्यादा कुछ काम किया नहीं. मैं दिल्ली में था तो आई वाज विद माय पेरेंट्स. आई वाज एट होम नॉट वर्किंग. द काइंड ऑफ मोड आई एम इन राइट नाउ, आई एम नॉट लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू वर्क. आई डोंट वांट टू राइट नाउ. तो एज सच एक बार ये थोड़ा बेटर हो यार, तभी काम के कुछ प्रोस्पेक्ट्स, मतलब काम का सोचा जाएगा. यू नो, आई गेस कुछ चीजें हैं, कुछ स्क्रिप्ट्स हैं, बट वो कब शुरू होंगी वो अभी पता नहीं है.
So thank you so much, Naveen, for doing this with me.